Now we will discuss question number 67, which is from the optics and based on refraction. It is given that the green light is moving from water to air and it is at the angle of incidence is at critical angle corresponding to green light. Here it is water and here is air, and the green light is incident at an angle theta, which is equal to the critical angle of green light, and that means the green light will grazes to the surface. This is corresponding to green light. Okay, now we have to find out that which wavelength or which frequency will come out. Okay, now if we discuss about the critical angle, then theta c is equal to sine inverse 1 by mu. It depends on the refractive index of the denser medium. Here rarer medium is air. Okay, now if we see the dependency of refractive index on wavelength is something a plus b upon lambda square. This is Cauchy equation. Okay, which implies that when wavelength increases, then refractive index decreases. Okay, and if refractive index decreases, then critical angle increases. That means theta c will increase. Okay, now we are discussing about if the angle of incidence is the white light is coming from here and that is at an angle of incidence theta c corresponding to green light. Now green light is grazing. Okay, here is white light. Okay, now we have to see that which ray will come out. Okay, अगर हम वेवलेंथ को बढ़ाएंगे तो रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स कम होगा और क्रिटिकल एंगल बढ़ेगा. मतलब अगर हम वेवलेंथ बढ़ाते हैं तो क्रिटिकल एंगल बढ़ता है. इसका मतलब अगर मैं ग्रीन से ज्यादा वेवलेंथ की बात करता हूं तो ग्रीन से ज्यादा वेवलेंथ जो है दैट इज फ्रॉम विबग्योर इज YOR, दैट मीन्स येलो, ऑरेंज और रेड. मतलब येलो, ऑरेंज और रेड का क्रिटिकल एंगल जो होगा वो ग्रीन के क्रिटिकल एंगल से ज्यादा होगा. और अगर आप ग्रीन के क्रिटिकल एंगल पर ही व्हाइट लाइट को आप गिरा रहे हैं, that means this angle will be less than the critical angle of red, yellow and orange, because these wavelengths are greater than the wavelength of green. Okay, that means red, yellow and orange will come out. Okay, that means red, yellow and orange will come out, and violet, indigo and blue will get total internal reflection. That means red, yellow and orange is the greater wavelength corresponding to the green light and the lesser frequency corresponding to the green light. Okay, then answer in English. In question here is something a dispute in Hindi and English. In English it is asking about the frequency and in Hindi it is asking about tarangdairghya, that means wavelength. Okay, then in English medium the answer would be option 1. ठीक है, that means the frequency less than green light will come out. Okay, this is for English, and for Hindi this option would be, the option will be 2, second option. ठीक है, जिसकी तरंगदैर्घ्य ज्यादा होगी, तरंगदैर्घ्य अधिक होगी वे किरणें बाहर आएंगी। ठीक है, तो हिंदी में ऑप्शन 2 एंड इंग्लिश में ऑप्शन 1 होगा। ये क्वेश्चन कैरियर पॉइंट की एक्सरसाइज शीट में है, जिसमें जो चैप्टर है रिफ्रैक्शन एट प्लेन सरफेस एंड प्रिज्म, और ये लेवल 4 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 है।